Hey everyone, how's the full moon treating you all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fantastic. What are the effects of full moon on you, going on your relationship, and on your person right now? That is the reading that we are going to dive in today. What are their current thoughts and feelings? What is it that you should know? And what energies is this full moon going to or have brought in your connection or in your relationship right now? So we'll do a deep dive, whether you are in a no contact situation, separation, going through a third party situation, whether you want to reconcile, reconnect with your person, whether you are a twin flame or a soulmate dealing with your person. We'll do a deep dive. This is a timeless energy check. It doesn't matter whenever you come across this particular video, it is supposed to find you when it is supposed to find you. So it's not important only at the full moon time or around that time only this particular reading is going to resonate. But let's see, you know the drill. Take 3 deep breaths, connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and drop I claim in the comment section your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you. Something tells me out of impulse, something has happened and gone down in your connection. I feel that there is some energy, some negative energy working on this particular connection. Out of impulse, you guys have either fought with each other, or out of impulse, I feel that there are few things which are not going pretty well in your connection. I do see with the devil card there can be some amount of evil eye or negativity, or some kind of spell work that may have been done on your person right now. So this is a great time in case if you want to get the spell work or evil eye negativity removed. I would suggest you to book a spell. The slots are open. Book a spell right now. It is going to stay open till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Post that, it is going to get closed. Today is full moon, and trust me guys, full moon gives you such good effects. I do see that the negativity is seeping in this particular connection after the fight. Whatever impulsive behavior you showed, they showed, or whatever conversation that you guys had, but I see an impulsive obsessive streak. You guys are dealing with your soulmate here. Okay, this is not just a normal connection. So in case if you're feeling that anxiety right now, if you're feeling everything is over, you're feeling full of negativity, let me tell you that you're getting that sinking feeling. You feel as if things are going to things have become really bitter and there is no reconciliation. That let me tell you that there is a reconciliation in upcoming 2 weeks. I do see a very strong reunion, reconciliation happening. You are dealing with your soulmate connection. This connection is from your past life. This is carried forward from your past life. This is not a normal connection that you have come across with. This is a connection which is a very which runs really deep inside. Right now I see that you have become very practical, you have become very deep, you have become very clear in your mind what exactly do you expect out of this particular relationship, and you've made it clear to your person that this is what you are expecting, this is what you're looking at right now. You are not going to settle for anything less than that. You have made this very clear to your person. Let me see what else is happening in your connection right now. Wow, I see a new beginning. If you've been asking this question to yourself, when is it that my person is going to reach out to me? When are they going to break the silence? Then I see it is right now. It is only for few of you who are in a no contact or a separation situation. For few of you, I see that you guys have just fought. Maybe it's not a no contact situation, but then the vibes or the surrounding, the energies are quite negative right now. So I do see that because of that negativity, things are getting a little toxic between you and your person. But in upcoming 2 days to 2 weeks, things are going to get better. Just let the time pass, and just be careful, because there can be a breakup. In case if you haven't broken up yet, then there can be a breakup. So tread carefully right now, because after 2 weeks I see a new beginning in this particular connection. Things are going to get resolved. This particular connection will move slowly within this time frame of 2 weeks. Lots of up and down and roadblocks are going to be there, but it is going to get resolved. All right, it is going to get resolved, so you need not to worry, but you need to be cautious and you need to take precaution. I do see a lot of fears and anxiety is going to come within this period of 2 weeks. And I see that there are few people who may be getting anxious today while we speak. Few people may be going through an anxiety. Somebody who's wearing yellow, red, blue, orange, and red or black right now, this reading is going to resonate with you. Okay, so I see most of you are feeling anxious right now. Let me know in the comment section if you are feeling anxious today. So don't worry, today is also a full moon, so that anxiety may be coming from them there, and it is going to stay for next 2 to 3 days. So work on it. Do not fight, do not get impulsive, and out of that impulse, do not get into an argument or a fight with your person. I see no contact period coming soon. Now it is up to you. If you want to, bring a no contact period in your connection, then it's up to you. If you handle yourself carefully, and if the conversation is negative, happening negatively right now, if there are fights happening right now, then you have to be cautious. Just be mindful of this particular fact that right now there are chances that you guys can go into a no contact situation. So this is an alert. Okay, do not skip this video, watch it till the end. This is an alert because you may go into a no contact, so you have to tread carefully within these 2 weeks. All right, this is the advice for you. People who are already in a no contact situation, within upcoming 2 weeks, I do see the no contact situation is breaking. In case if you have been hiding your feelings, if they have been hiding their feelings, I do see that this is happening because of so much toxicity. This person has actually closed their heart off, their heart chakra right now, and that is why you're feeling what you're feeling right now, that this person is not being very expressive the way they used to be. And that is why you're feeling this sudden, you know um, negativity or anxiety within yourself, because you feel that there is something wrong and you're not able to figure it out. Okay, now what I'm about to say is going to resonate with very few of you, not all of you, so do not think it is your situation as well, because I do sense a third party situation as well in this particular situation, in this particular connection. And because of that, there can be a no contact situation. You guys went into an argument, and now you are hiding your feelings, they are hiding their feelings, and all of a sudden you feel like that you are standing in the middle. Okay, and you don't know what exactly you need to do. I feel that there is an awakening which is soon going to come in your connection, and the wheel, which is the wheel of fortune, is going to turn. The wheel of fortune is going to turn, because something tells me that everything right now doesn't make any sense. Everything is up in the air, and soon it will start moving forward, and good things are about to happen. With the Queen of Pentacles, I feel that you're focusing on stability, you're focusing on security, and that is what you're working upon in your connection right now, which is a good thing. You want marriage, you want commitment, or probably your person is married, and that is why this third party situation may be popping up. Okay, so I feel that that commitment, that marriage thing is weighing heavy on your mind, and right now you're regretting getting involved with a person who was already married. Maybe for few of you I feel that you are looking forward to get stability, security. Maybe your person is not married, you are married, or probably none of you are married, but I do see that there are certain regrets of what you said in the recent past, because of which you are regretting right now, that you could have handled the things in a different way. But right now, the things, the way you handled, somewhere down the line I feel that there are regret because of that as well. I see communication, I see long distance relationship as well. For few of you, I see somebody is either traveling, you are traveling, they are traveling, or it's a long distance relationship. And for few, I see communication is going to come in swiftly. Okay, I see communication is going to start. The communication blockages which were there, it is going to get removed, and your person is going to come out of their egoistic behavior. They will come forward, they will speak to you, and there is a second chance to your connection in the upcoming days of July itself. Just be cautious for the upcoming 2 weeks. Okay, just be cautious. Whenever you have an urge to fight, or whenever you have an urge to retaliate, make sure that you tell yourself in the back of your mind that you just have to take care of these 2 weeks. Once you pass this, then you can express it in a nicer way, and in a calmer way. But within these 2 weeks, it's better that you zip your mouth. Don't fight. Otherwise, you'll go in a no contact. And if you can afford that, then go ahead. That's absolutely your wish. I'm not saying that something bad is happening and you're just keeping quiet. Obviously, you are wise enough to handle the situation, but it's just an advice. Ace of Cups, new beginning. The love is overflowing. There's so much of love that you will feel all of a sudden is coming in from this person in your life. I see a lot of emotional exchange is going to happen for people who have been in a toxic relationship. Toxicity has been there in the connection from a very long time. I see after 2 weeks things are going to become better. The emotions are going to run really high. There will be a lot of love overflowing in this particular connection. And with the 9 of Wands, I do see that if somebody had blocked you, had blocked them. If not physically on the phone, then I feel that somebody may have blocked you energetically. Okay, so that is going to get over. Okay, so that is going to get over, and soon I see they are going to unblock you. The communication is going to be there. And for few of you who have booked a spell work with me, the spells are going to kick in pretty soon. If you haven't booked the spell work in this particular situation for a third party, book a third party removal spell. For reconciliation, book reconciliation and communication spell. And if you're looking for reconciliation and your person to get obsessed and give you the marriage commitment, then go for the 21 days love combo. By the way, right now I'm running an offer. There's a discount on 21 days love combo, so you can ask me the discounted price of 21 days. And in case if you still can't afford it, then there is a 3-day mini love combo as well that I offer. All right, so ask for that. But I do see manifestation, positivity. I do see spell work kicking in, and this is my guide to tell you that, this is my advice, this is my sign to tell you that the spell work done on this full moon will give you results. Most probably there are going to be a lot of results. So let me help you reconcile with your partner. Today itself we are going to conduct, there is a batch that I'm going to start, and the bookings are open till 2 o'clock. Very few slots are remaining, because of course I need to keep a tab on the number of spell work that I am doing on a particular given day. So very few limited slots are remaining. So book your slot right now as soon as you watch this particular video. We don't have much time left. We have 3 to 4 hours at the max. For a 2 of Pentacles, there is a lot of juggle. I think in your person's mind there is a lot of juggle. Okay, what is it that they have to do? What direction they have to choose? Should they come to you? Should they speak to you? Should they not speak to you? So there is a lot of juggle. But if you ask me, is the love there? I see twin flame, I see soulmate connection you guys are dealing with. Okay, majority of you are dealing with soulmate, and few of you are dealing with twin flame. There's a lot of attraction, there's a lot of passion still in this particular connection, which is so beautiful. Because nowadays it's really difficult to find people who are your soulmate, who are your twin flames. But I do see there's a beautiful reconciliation. There's a face-to-face catch-up, of face-to-face meeting. The no contact is going to break, and you guys are going to communicate with each other. Such a beautiful connection. This person is going to put in efforts, they are going to put in a hard work, and you are going to be less emotional and more practical. And finally you have tamed this person. But there is a third party interference, so get the spell work done. Okay, you're playing it smart right now. This person is coming back, but you're still playing it very smart, which is in a way good thing, because if there is a third party involvement, then you have to be vigilant a bit, right? Otherwise I do see that your person may be even busy at work, and right now they may be giving you a cold shoulder, or have ghosted you. All right, so give them a benefit of doubt. But the only problem is that you are feeling stuck. You don't have any clarity. You want to move towards calmer water. You want this connection to sail in calmer waters. This person who has walked away, or in case if you feel like walking away from this connection because you don't have the clarity, now is the time when you need to listen to your intuition. What are your intuitions telling you? Okay, that is what you have to do. Follow that. This your intuitions know that right now whatever is happening, but at the end of the day this person is going to come back to you. They are going to be with you. There is a transformation happening right now, very strong transformation in this particular connection, but your wish is going to get granted. Okay, see this card, such a beautiful card. So don't worry guys, I do see good things coming up. I see marriage as well. I see legal divorce, separation also happening, and this person is going to come back to you with an apology. So if you want to accept that apology, that's up to you. So this is a beautiful reading. The full moon is going to do is doing good to majority of us. Okay, in fact, a majority I see that the third party no contact is breaking. Only thing that you have to do is to take care of first, the second and third week of July. You have to be very cautious so that you don't get into any kind of argument or any kind of fight, so that because of that there is no contact situation. Just try and avoid that. That's all my advice to you. Otherwise, don't be over emotional. Keep your practical mind over your emotional mind, and rest all is sorted, and book the spell work. If you want a reunion, if you want a commitment, if you want the third party to be removed ASAP. We don't have much time. Bye bye guys, take care, and I'm gonna